Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix laptop screen is freeze or stuck. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first method is you have to press Shift key, Control key, Window key and B button on your keyboard together to refresh your graphic driver. So you have to press all the 4 keys together to refresh your graphic driver. So as you can see, this will refresh your graphic driver and fix your issue. And if you are still getting the same issue now, move on to the next method. So in this method, you have to press Control key, Shift key and Escape key together to open your task manager. You have to press these 3 keys together to open the task manager. Now click on this process tab, the first tab. Now you can see all these are the applications or services. Now see if there is any application which is consuming much percentage of your CPU or your memory. In that case, simply close that application, right-click on it, then click on End Task to close the application. That's it. Now move on to the next step. Click on the Startup tab and disable all the startup applications. So right-click on it, then click on Disable. Disable all the startup applications one by one. After that, click on the first tab, Process. Now search for Windows Explorer. As you can see, this is the option Windows Explorer. Select this application and then click on Restart to restart Windows Explorer. That's it. And these are the 2 steps you can apply to fix your issue. So that's basically how you can fix laptop screen is freeze or stuck. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.